Welcome everybody to this sacred bundle on creating your own Chumpi Stones and making your sacred frame drum. I am Sharon Ramel, the pioneer of teaching shamanism, authentic shamanism, online. Please join me as we embark on the mystical and energetic journey into the amazing world of shamanism. For centuries, the Quero shaman and healers have used Chumpi stones to initiate lineage rites and to connect us to the sacred mountains of Peru, known as Apus. These stones are powerful tools for healing and transformation. These stones connect us with the sacred mountains, but I understand that they may not hold the same meaning for you. This is why in this course, I will guide you through a meditative shamanic journey where you will discover your very own sacred mountains, ones that you will work with intensely for your unique needs. So this is not a case of simply transporting something from one culture to another. It is about making it your own unique connection. Chumpi stones connect the earth and the stars, bringing energy back to you. And throughout this course, you'll learn not just to use them, but to experience them. I am not an expert nor a descendant of the medicine men and women who crafted these stones. However, I invite you to open your heart to Andean cosmology. Rather than learning how to use these stones, you will feel them, sense the shifts within yourself as you begin to have a conversation with the Chumpis. Don't have your own set of Chumpi stones? That is not a problem, for together we will make a set using simple modeling clay that you can purchase. You will experience the sacred in what you create. And as a bonus, we'll create a powerful oracle card set using Chumpi stones as guidance. These cards, when paired with the sacred geometry, can hold just as much energy and intention as the stones themselves. Our second course is a collaborative course to bring shamanism alive as you craft and dedicate your very own unique frame drum, a sacred tool for healing, ceremony, and connection. I'll guide you step by step through your ceremonial drum's creation and spiritual dedication. This is not just a drum. It's your sacred companion on your unique spiritual journey. We will be joined by renowned shamanic drummer and drum maker Pepe Chiriboga as he shares his expert guidance for crafting your own sacred frame drum from start to finish. I will be guiding you through sacred blessings, ceremonies, and meditations that will ensure your drum is infused with your unique energy and intention. With each ritual, you will create a deeper connection to the wood, the hide, birthing your very own medicine drum. Pepe and I are here to guide you through every element of crafting and dedicating your drum, using powerful shamanic ceremonies to bring your drum to life. Your sacred drum will empower you with every beat, awakening you to the spirit within and filling you with happiness and purpose. We are committed to helping you create the best authentic medicine drum, one that carries your energy and intention from its birth throughout your spiritual journey.